for the candy, we need powdered sugar, regular sugar, food coloring, and light corn syrup.
Corn Karo syrup.
Sorry, whatever that is. And the strawberry flavor.
It's gonna be strawberry candy.
That's what kind of flavor we're making. You like strawberry?
You guys like strawberry?
I hate strawberry.
No, you don't.
You guys want to make some candy?
Crazy boys.
What are you laughing at? Huh? Weston's got his little cousin over. They're going crazy right now, playing zombies. First, we're going to spread out the powdered sugar. We're going to pour the candy on it.
Wait, so we need to
So
spread
it don't stick to the pan. Just spread it out.
How many pieces spread out? It's harder than it looks.
That's probably good.
Why are you using 2 hands? Why are you using 1 hand? Fine.
We're going to make a mess. For some reason, Weston thinks we're putting 3 3/4 of quarters in the...
Wait, is that even 6?
is not what
Is that
we're
even 6? Yes. That's more than 6. That's more than 6.
Do not put those in the pan. You're going to put 3 cups, 3 of those in. Pour it in the pan.
It's 1 cup.
The oddly satisfying. All right, now you're going to put 1 cup of water in there.
Okay. For years. I have to hold water for years.
1.5 cups of Karo.
The whole thing.
All the way to the top.
Titty top. This is
How
taking
much of
for
it do we
years.
need?
1 3/4. Or 1.5, sorry.
That good?
That's good.
Oh, it's
Yep,
not
it's
really.
real thick.
Real thick.
Just hold it upside down for a minute. Here you go.
Whole bunch of candy.
A difference candy? Difference of candy?
It's gonna look like glass.
Oh, heck no. Have you seen those people
That's
that
Right,
eat?
that's good.
That was more than good. See, it's heavy.
Now pour that in there.
It was heavy, wasn't it? Kind of. Kind of.
Let it all drip out.
Now we're going to turn this on to about medium.
It looks like dirty
Yeah,
water.
you can-
I know. It looks like white water.
Here, stir that up, guys.
Okay.
Don't touch the pan. Don't burn yourself.
How do you?
Stir it in a second.
This is hard. I know. It's always hard. Is this how they make candy from the factory?
Yep. Just in a lot bigger
I
pan.
wish we could make a factory like this. Wow.
That's good for right now. Let it heat up some more.
Stir it for a second.
Weston, you stir it for a few and then let it sit till it heats up.
You need to hold that.
Hold the
Hold the
handle.
This is hard.
Do what?
This is hard.
You guys need a workout.
Hey, I want to see you push it. I mean, not push it.
Shoot, I'm so strong, I'll break that handle.
Then do it. You would
All right,
be like,
that's probably good.
That's good. We're trying to make candy and they're eating pepperonis for some reason.
they're better. Why should I not?
You like pepperonis more than candy?
Kind of. Yep. Actually, no.
Now we gotta crank it on high.
What?
Look.
We're having wait.
We gotta let
So
it
you're talking about this? Burnt candy?
After everything is dissolved, your sugar, turn it on high and let it heat up to 310 degrees.
Ah, it's hot. I know.
What's the temperature?
It's
of
turning
this?
red and purple. What if it makes that on fire so hot? The whole house would burn.
It's not quite 300 degrees yet.
I need more pepperonis. No, you don't. Fine, if you want more pepperonis, let me go to get a pepperoni party. The whole.
It's definitely 300 degrees. Put it in a cold water, and if it hardens, then it's done.
Can I touch it to make sure?
Candy is ready. We're gonna stir
I
it
just
in.
wanna put the food
We're gonna mix the
coloring.
flavoring and the food coloring.
I want to put blue and red, but they want it.
And how much food coloring?
Just whatever.
Can I put blue and red at the same time?
It'll be purple.
Yeah,
Let's
we
just
want
do
it. I
blue.
want it to be
All right, just do blue.
blue. And it tastes
They
like,
want it to be blue even though it's strawberry flavor.
oh, a blue strawberry. That actually sounds
1
good.
teaspoon.
Yeah. Well, no, I mean, you just put whatever. That's probably good. See what it does.
All right.
Oh, I want to watch it.
Pour the blue in.
It looks brown. Oh, it's on top. We need more.
It looks green, don't it?
Yeah.
Whatever color it is.
It looks pretty
That's
good.
probably good.
Vomit food.
It's like
It probably looks
Put a little more
green
in.
in the can.
Here, I'll put more food coloring in. Make it more
Vomit
blue.
puke. Then it's gonna look more green. Okay, it sounds like sounds like scrambled eggs. It also looks like scrambled eggs.
There it is. It's like an aqua blue color.
I love aqua. The baby's waking up.
All right, now what?
We're gonna pour it onto the sugar.
All right, guys, go over there.
Okay. We're pouring in sugar. That looks green still.
All right, watch out, Jackson. Yeah, let's get back.
I want to taste it already. You can in 1,000 years.
Willow,
In 1,000 years,
over
I'll be
there.
dead. Did you hear her, Weston? She said, go, yeah.
Now we gotta wait for it to harden.
That looks cool.
I'm gonna put my finger in it.
All right, it is cooled down and ready. We're gonna rub a little more powdered sugar on there.
Want to spread it?
Spread it on there.
I'm not doing that. Wouldn't this kind of taste disgusting though? Can I taste it real quick?
Yeah. See if you can break it.
Okay.
Oh, you broke it.
I shattered it. Oh, that crap. What if it gets in your skin?
All right.
Oh, crap. That hurt. I'm gonna taste it. I'm gonna grab
Break
it.
it up into little pieces.
Mmm.
Is it good?
I don't know. It's actually really good. What? Why would you eat glass?
It's not glass, it's candy.
I know, but it's like glass.
Break it.
Mmm.
Is it good?
It tastes like a candy I've had before.
It's homemade candy.
It tastes better than the real ones. Shattered it again. It's just weird to break a piece off and then there's powder under it.
You think?
Good.
You ain't even bite it.
I can't even bite it.
Pretty good.
Why do you say pretty good? You should give the baby a piece. I was kidding.
The recipe will be down below in our description. Hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up.